what's up? Today we are going to be making scrambled eggs in the microwave, really easy. Milk, eggs, bowl, salt and pepper. So you crack 2 eggs in each bowl. So I'm making 2 bowls right now, but I'm only going to show you making the one. Get the other egg. Oh God. And we're back, so I just had to clean up my area because my hands got messy and I forgot to throw out the eggs. God dang it. So you just put about this much milk in.
About like a third of a cup.
About like
half a cup.
Of a cup. So
And pepper.
Right now I'm making this one for my camera person. And we are back, so I got forks. Now I'll just mix it furiously. I'll be right back after this is stirred. And we are back. Just let me clean off my fork for 1 second. So now you grab this, you go to your microwave. Microwave.
I'm gonna have it.
So you have to have 1 minute. So 1 minute, and we will be right back once this is done cooking. If it's kind of like that, you have to put it in for another minute, but you have to
stir it first.
Stir it first. You can mix it as hard as you want because it's best if these are on the bottom, then the actual egg is on the top. And then you gotta put it in for another minute or 30 seconds. If it still has a little bit of liquid in it, you gotta put it in for another 15 seconds. If it looks like this, then it's perfectly fine. If it has a tiny bit of liquid, then it's fine. It's just protein. Guys, sorry for that 2 seconds of blackness. I accidentally pressed the unpause button. Sorry. And hey guys, we are back. So now we are going to be taste testing them with, yeah, you can kind of see my arm, so whatever. We're going to be taste testing our eggs. And now I have no clue how to hold the phone, so I'm kind of holding it like it's a weight. So if you hear a pop, it exploded. That's what happened with me. And you should put a plate on it, on top of it. So, taste 1. Hot. It's good, but it's hot. It's hot. I made hers first, so hers isn't as hot. So, no, not the egg. Don't judge. I'm going to put ketchup on mine. Okay. So, hold my camera. Okay, I had to have my little cousin hold my camera because I have a fork in my hand and I don't want my fork to get all ketchupy.
It's 4 minutes and 26 seconds.
And we will be ending off this video right here. See ya and have a good day.